Hello, my name is Camille Guérin and I'm the owner and the chef of À Table. So let's go in cuisine and cook the recipe. This is a risotto of pasta, coquillettes, with guanciale, creamy cheese with comté, shallots, and a little bit of radish. So here we begin with the comté cream. So in my pan I will put cream, of course, so like this. Up. This is 2 vegetables, so I will put a little bit up, and my comté up, tight. A little bit of salt, and then I will just cook slowly, like this. Next, I will cut my shallots. And then took up. This I will put in a bottle, in a box, sorry. Up. Tac. Up. Next I will cut the guanciale. So I will remove this, which is a little bit tough, but I will put it in my stew vegetables to have a little bit smoked smell and taste. And then I will cut it like this to remember lardon. I don't know.
What's lardon?
Lardon with I don't know. It's the cut of I don't know, poitrine de cochon.
Okay.
So I will cut everything. So as it's very fat, I don't need oil in my pan. So I will put everything like this. Up, 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 and very hot. Up. So. J'aurais dû l'allumer, mais bon, c'est pas grave. It begins to sing. Hop. And to smell. Very good. here I want a little bit of brown to have crispy taste. Oula. So now I remove it. I let the fat in the pan to cook my shallots. Up. So I will keep everything. I salt but a little bit. Yes. So I will take the wine, the white one, and I will deglaze. Yep. After I will cook my pasta in a pan. So I cooked in the pan my shallots and my wine to remove all the flavors of the guanciale. So now I will cook the pasta in this. So I will put everything here. So I'm putting the higher to heat it to put my stew in my pasta.
High heat.
Yes.
Okay.
So, yep. Tac. So. So like a risotto, I am just I don't know, heat a little bit my pasta with all my wine and my shallots, and then I'm no longer I don't have so much juice in my pan, so I will take my stew to cook my pasta. So my stew is hot it's better if it's hot, the stew to cook the pasta. So while it's cooking, I will mix my cream. So I will taste it if there is a lack of salt or it's good, very good. Okay, so I will put a little bit of stew because it's very, very al dente. Almost. Let's taste again. Good. So I cut the heat. I will remove a little bit of guanciale in my pasta. So, on va peut-être la refaire. Je vais faire la cuillère, je pense. Maybe with a spoon, it will be better.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay. Next. So. So the cream everywhere, and for more cheese, because I like this one, it's like Comté but fresh. And I will add few vegetables with a little bit of fleur de sel, vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Et voilà.